This 2022 Holiday Rambler Nautica 33 Terra-liters is a Class A RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Holiday Rambler is 35 feet 4 inches in length and features sleeps 8, microwave, stove-top burner, refrigerator, DVD player, external shower, water heater, leveling jacks, slide-out, air conditioning, carbon monoxide detector, and 96 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bunk over cab, front dinette, front entertainment, front living area, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bath, rear entertainment, rear kitchen. This 2022 Holiday Rambler Nautica 33 Terra-liters is built on a Freightliner chassis and is powered by a Cummins engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.